Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to save videos on X application. So if you want to save a video on X inside the application itself, then let's go to some kind of post that I want to save, and under the post I want to find this bookmark icon. Let's tap it, and if it turns blue, that means that you have saved this video to your bookmarks section. And now let's access it. You have to tap your profile picture in the top left, and in the side menu you want to find from the list of sections bookmarks, and boom, this is here is the post that I have just saved. But if you want to download a video, if you want to save video from X to your gallery, then there are two main ways how you can do that, depending if you obtain premium subscription on X or not. So if you have your X premium subscription, then you will have to tap this share icon under the post itself, and here from the list of options you will see button download video. Tap that and that video will appear in your gallery. But if you don't have your premium subscription like I do, then the process will be a little bit more complicated, but still it is possible. So let's copy link to this post, and now you're gonna use third-party tool. You have to go to your preferred browser and search for this Twitter video downloader. Let's search it, and please open this exact link. Let's go here. Here you can paste the link that you have copied and press download button. Now I'm gonna select the format of the video, and here please be careful not to click on those advertisements. Select close, and now finally tap download button. Now let's tap here, go to my downloads, and as you can see, here is my downloaded video. It automatically downloads it to Files application, and to download it to my gallery I will have to tap this share icon in the bottom right corner of my screen, and finally select option to save the video. Now if I go to my photos, here is the video that I have just saved from Twitter, from X. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.